Hey guys, it's Miss Cockrell. I miss you a lot and I hope that you are able to join me in a Zoom today on Tuesday, and if not this week, maybe next week. I hope that you have been looking at the lesson that I sent you, and maybe you watched the video on the book How Seeds Grow. And the lesson that I'm going to be walking you through today is actually the activity featured in that book. So we are going to be planting some seeds in eggshells. So the first thing you want to do is to gather up your materials. So you should have some eggshells. I have 14, but we only need 12. I just had some extra eggs lying around. And then I've got some fun seeds here. I've got marigolds, sunflowers, and basil, because I like to use basil a lot in cooking, and I really like marigolds and sunflowers because look at those pretty beautiful colors that they have. And they also, all three of these grow pretty fast as far as seeds go, so you could start to see them sprout in about 7 to 14 days, so a week or 2 weeks. So that's why I chose these. I also have a bucket of dirt that I will be using. And that's Grigsby. Say hi, Grigsby. Grigsby. Grigsby.
Grigsby.
No? Not gonna say hi? Alright, well. Anyways, oh, and I have water. Water's important too. So I've gone ahead and taken out some seeds from each of these. First we have some marigolds, which are these kind of feathery, spiny looking seeds. They almost kind of look like little porcupine quills, I think. Then we have some sunflower seeds, which don't look too different from the ones that you eat if you eat sunflower seeds. And then we've got basil seeds, and these are these teeny tiny ones here. They almost look like little grains of sand or something, or pepper. So yes, so we've got the marigolds, the sunflower, and the sweet basil seeds here. Alright, next you're going to take your eggshells, and then you're going to use a pen or a pencil, or I used a safety pin actually, to poke some holes in the bottom of the eggshell. So I just did 3. You can do more if you want, but I put 3. And these are here to help the water to drain from the eggshell. Next, we're going to label the shells so that we know which one has what seeds growing in them if you have multiple types of seeds. I have 3 different types of seeds, so I'm going to put just the first letter of each type. So I put S1 for sunflower 1. And since I have 3 different types, I'm going to be doing 4 of each since I have 12 shells left. So these are my eggshells. Got our marigolds 1 through 4, our basil 1 through 4, our sunflowers 1 through 4, and I have already started to fill some of them up with soil. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the rest of these with soil as well. Now I'm going to make a little hole, a little furrow on top of it, just like a little one with my finger, or you can use like a little stick if you want to. And then I'm going to put my seeds in there. So I'm going to go and put a little hole in each one, just like a little home for the seed to grow, the seed to have a nice cozy home. So I'm going to start with the marigolds, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plant 2. You'll just see. I'm going to put that in there. Nice little hole. Alright, and then I'm going to sprinkle some more dirt on top, just a tiny bit. Pat it down a little bit. Cool. And then I'm going to put a little squirt, drops of water up there. So I have officially planted all of the seeds. They're all in there, tucked in their little beds, like they're ready for nap time. and we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I will be keeping a log in my notebook, trying to see which ones are growing and how long it takes for me to see anything sprout. Now remember, you have to be patient because these seeds they're sleepy, they gotta wake up. So we just have to be careful. We need to sprinkle them with water every day, just a little bit, not too much, because we don't want to drown the seeds. So we're going to sprinkle them with water, and we're going to wait, we're going to watch, and we're going to see what happens. Right, Grigsby? He doesn't care. And if you are wondering why we are planting these seeds in eggshells, it's actually because inside of the eggshell, the membrane that's left over and the eggshell itself is really good. It's full of nutrients and all kinds of good things for the plants as they grow. So when these are ready to be have started to sprout and are ready to be planted in a pot, like this one, something a little bigger than an eggshell, then we can just actually pick up our eggs and put them right in the soil and they'll be good to go, because these eggs will actually break down and the roots of the plants will break them apart, and then they'll be used to feed the plants. So maybe you like eggs for breakfast, or maybe these plants do too.
This is Brainbox. Brainbox. Brainbox.